Okay, you guys, fall project 2021. We have another room to redo. I just did this room maybe 2 years back. I don't know if I brought you guys along on that journey. I did this like champagne color because now looking back on it, it is kind of yellowy, which I wouldn't have chose this again, but it's freshly painted. This is my son's room. Who just got an apartment outside of Boston. So I'm left with 3 keyboards, 3 electric guitars, a ukulele, popcorn machine, full desk. I got boxes here. This is hard, man. I've been in here. I look at pictures. I get very emotional and I have to leave. I've got to just try to separate it and be like if I was doing it, for somebody else, like say if I was helping somebody else, because it is, I feel a little empty nest. And we've got brand new shoes that have never been worn, tons of Brooks Brothers clothes, so anything good like that I'll donate, because he just says the apartment's too small. I've got a mini fridge, 3 electric guitars, and a big Rottweiler in the middle of it, a ukulele. He is a music man. There's been many times I put him on once, I think at Christmas, and he was playing songs, but other than that, not really, but he's really talented. Anyways, we're back at it. So this is going to be our, at least the floor is okay, and I don't have to go through what I went through before, but we're going to turn this into a preteen, little girl paradise. It's not fair to keep her in the small room if he's got his own place, but I did redo that bedroom downstairs with the pull-out couch, and it has a memory foam. So as personal effects, I'm going to set up down there and some basic clothes. There is a dresser in the closet, so when he comes home, he has a place. But in the other room, I'm probably going to give to Dutch, like to put her in there during the day, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it, actually. I don't know. This is so overwhelming to have to go through this again. All right, well, I guess there's no time like the present. I'm gonna start packing this up. All right, love to y'all. Bye.